Hi, I'm Vipul Reddy, co-founder of Handily, that will offer vocational training for blue and green collar technicians through gaming. The problem that we're trying to solve is that blue and green collar technicians often need a certain amount of time to theoretically understand the basics of their trade before hands-on training can be effective. However, the pre-hands-on training opportunities that they get, like textbooks and lectures, rarely offer them the background that they need to climb that learning curve in a timely way. By using proven theories of embodied learning, Handily proposes to give these workers a warm start with these hands-on training opportunities. Handily uses Kinect-based gaming to teach them these workers the sequence of steps that they need to follow, the right tools and materials to use in each step, and the procedure to use them. That way, when the technician begins their hands-on training, they are well acquainted with the procedures, their tools, and the things that they need to do with them. Hands-on training time can then be spent more fruitfully learning the intricacies of the process at hand. This two-step training process makes for a better technician in a more time and cost-effective manner than traditional techniques. So Handily will initially focus on technician opportunities in 21st century industries such as clean tech. We make our money from enterprises through rapid deployment of new product training to a geographically dispersed technician workforce. We'll also have a consumer revenue stream through training and credentialing. The team consists of my co-founder Harshal Zawde, an IT veteran with extensive experience at Cisco and Citigroup, me, a long-time product manager in IT training and certifications at Cisco and a graduate student in learning design and technology at the Stanford School of Education, Anika Ishaq, my classmate and project partner with Handily, who is also a usability expert, and Amol Bavanthade, our graphics guy, as well as our partners at Persistent. Thanks for watching.